Hi there, my name is Lawrence, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you're updating or installing Windows 11 and you're presented with the message, "We couldn't update the system reserved partition." This error message is very common and is very easy to fix. The reason why this error message is displayed is because Windows can't store the boot/update files it needs in the small, hidden partition that controls your Windows startup. To fix this issue, simply go into the Windows Start bar and type in Command Prompt and right-click on the Command Prompt application and click on the Run as Administrator option. Now, from Command Prompt, type in the following command: mountvol space y:/s and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Now, type in cd space /d space y:/EFI Microsoft Boot Fonts and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Now type in del space asterisk and then a period, space, asterisk, and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Now type in capital Y and hit Enter on your keyboard. Please note, I have put all of these commands in the description of this video, so you can copy and paste them directly into Command Prompt without having to type them in. Now that the unnecessary files have been deleted, close the Windows installer and rerun it. As you can see, when I rerun the installer, it no longer gets stuck on the "We couldn't update the system reserved partition" error screen, and you'll be able to install Windows 11 successfully. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe.